Good morning, students. Last period we will learn about the eclipse type of eclipse. Today we are going to learn about the lunar eclipse and characteristic of solar eclipse and the characteristic of the lunar eclipse. First I will read this topic and then I will give you explanation about this point. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon enters the shadows of the earth while they revolving around it. At this time, it is necessary that the earth is between the sun and the moon, and all three of them are in the same plane. On full moon day, the moon's path of revolution passing through the thick shadows of the earth. If the moon is totally hidden within the shadows, we see a total lunar eclipse, and if only the part of the moon is in the shadows, we see the partially lunar eclipse. Here given one activity. Arrange the material used for the solar eclipse demonstration earlier shown in figure 2.9 and try the understanding how the lunar eclipse. Then then characteristic of the solar eclipse. The solar eclipse occurs on new moon day, but not only every new moon days. First or second, if the sun, the moon, the earth are the same plane and fall in one line, the solar eclipse occurs. The maximum duration of total solar eclipse is 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Characteristic of lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse occurs on full moon day, but not only on every full moon day. The lunar eclipse occurs if the sun, the moon, the earth are in the same plane and falls in one day. The maximum duration of total lunar eclipse is 107 minutes. Then second, the eclipse on astronomical event. The solar eclipse or lunar eclipse just an astronomical event. There is nothing auspicious or inauspicious about this event. It is just a result of the sun, the earth and the moon being in a specific position. There is a lot of curiosity about the eclipse because an eclipse is not only regular occurrence for scientists working in the field of the astronomy. Eclipse and partially total or annular solar eclipse present a great opportunity for study. Scientists from all over the world make it point to visit the location where the such event are going to occur. They carry out the elaborate study of eclipse condition. And here, during the period of the solar eclipse, the large number of birds and animals get confused due to untimely darkness that set in. As this is an event that does not suit their biological clock, their response to the event is also unusual. Try to observe the response of the bird and animal at time the such events. Record your observation. Do you know the occultations and transistor like eclipses? Some specific condition occurs with the reference to the sun or moon. They are called as the occultations and transistor respectively. Occultations occurs with the reference to the moon, whereas the transit is associated with the sun. Occultations. This is a typical event occurring in space. The moon revolves around the earth. While doing so, it obscures a star on the planet. On that celestial body appears to hide behind the moon. This is called as the occultation. The total solar eclipse is actually the kind of the occultations during this the sun disk get hidden completely because of the moon transistor. If an inner planet like Mercury or Venus come in between the line of the earth and the sun and the transit occurs. At that time the small dot appears to move across the sun disk. Transit is the type of the solar eclipse. First, lunar eclipse. What is the lunar eclipse? The lunar eclipse occurs when the moon enters the shadows of the earth. That means the lunar eclipse occurs when at that time the moon entered the shadows of the earth. That means moon entered the shadows of the earth and while revolving around it. That means here shown in figure. Here shown in figure. A lunar eclipse occurs when the moon enters the shadows of the earth while revolving around it. That means the moon revolving around it. At that time, the moon enters the shadows of the earth while revolving around it. At this time, it is necessary that the earth is between the sun and moon. That means at that time, here, the earth between the moon and sun. That means which time of the lunar eclipses occur? The moon enters the shadows. That means the moon enters the shadows of the earth while revolving around it. That means the moon revolving around the earth. At that time, these shadows enter the shadows of the earth while revolving around it. At that time, at this time, it is necessary that earth between that time the earth, it is necessary to earth between the moon and sun, and all three of them in same plane. That means sun, earth and moon in plane same plane on full moon day. And which time? At the on the full moon day, the moon's path revolve passing through the thick shadows of the earth. That means at that time the moon path revolve passing through the thick shadows. At that time, these thick shadows of the earth, if the moon is totally hidden within the shadows. That means here the moon is totally hidden with the shadows, we see the total lunar eclipse, and at that time there are the total lunar eclipse. They are here given the total lunar eclipse, and if only part of the moon is shadows, we see partially lunar eclipse. That means at that time next is the, if the only part of the moon, that means the part of the moon is the shadows, we see the partially lunar eclipse. That means here partially lunar eclipse. That means on the full moon days, the moon path revolve passing through the thick shadows of the earth. That means thick shadows of the earth. This moon is totally hidden. That means moon is totally hidden here. This moon is totally hidden here. Hidden with the shadows, we see the, this is known as the totally lunar eclipse. And when we see the total lunar eclipse, and if only part of the moon, that means here only part of the moon is in the shadows, we see the partially lunar eclipse. At that time only partially lunar eclipse is found or occurs. You understand? The total lunar eclipse and the partially lunar eclipse. That means the shadows of the shadows of earth. The thick shadows of the earth. The moon is totally hidden with this shadow. This is known as the lunar eclipse. And the shadows, only part of the moon is in the shadows, we see the only partially lunar eclipse. Then characteristic of the solar eclipse. What is the characteristic of the solar eclipse? The solar eclipse occurs on new moon day. That means the solar eclipse occurs on a new moon day. That means at that time, the new moon day, the solar eclipse occurs in the new moon day. But not only every new moon day. That means solar eclipse occurs in the new moon day, but not only every new moon day. That means the solar eclipse not occurs in the every new moon day. You understand? The solar eclipse occurs on the new moon day, but not in the every new moon day. If and only if the sun, the moon, and the earth are in the same plane and they falls in one line, this solar eclipses occur at that time. That means if and only the sun, that means the sun, the moon and the earth are in the same plane. that means the sun, moon, and the earth in the same plane and the hence in the one line. That means sun, moon, and earth in this earth are in the same plane and the hence in the one line. This is known as the, that means at that time the solar eclipse occurs. The maximum duration of the total solar eclipse is the 7 minutes and 20 seconds. That means what is the duration of the total solar eclipse is the 7 minutes and 20 seconds. That means the maximum duration of total solar eclipse is the 7 minutes and 20 seconds. The characteristic of the lunar eclipse. The lunar eclipse occurs on the full moon day. That means the solar eclipse occurs on the new moon day, but the lunar eclipse occurs on the full moon day but not on every full moon day. That means as like a solar eclipse, the lunar eclipse also occurs in the full moon day but not on the every full moon day. The lunar eclipse occurs only if the sun, the moon, and the earth are in the same plane and falls in the one line. That means as like the solar eclipse, in the lunar eclipse, the lunar eclipse occurs if and only the sun, moon, and earth in the same plane and falls in the one line. At that time the lunar eclipse occurs. The maximum duration of the total lunar eclipse is 107 minutes. That means the period of the lunar eclipse is the total lunar eclipse is the 107 minutes. And what is the duration of the total solar eclipse? The 7 minutes and 20 seconds. That means 440 seconds. You understand the characteristic of the solar eclipse and characteristic of the lunar eclipse. You understand that what is the solar eclipse? That in the solar eclipse there are two types: the total lunar eclipse and the partially lunar eclipse. Characteristic of the solar eclipse and the characteristic of the lunar eclipse. Then eclipse and the astronomical event. That means this is a astronomical event. How do the eclipse is an astronomical event? A solar eclipse or lunar eclipse just an astronomical event. That means these are two. That means the solar eclipse and the lunar eclipse are the astronomical event. These two are the astronomical event. There is nothing auspicious or the inauspicious about this event. That means these two are, there are nothing auspicious or the inauspicious about this event. It is just a result of the sun, the earth, and the moon being in a specific position. That means it is just the result of the sun, the earth, and the moon being in a specific position. There is a lot of curiosity about the eclipse. That means the curiosity about the eclipse, there are lot, because the eclipse is not a regular occurrence. That means the eclipse are not regular occurrence. That means there are no daily occurrence for scientists working in the field of the astronomy. That means many other scientists which is working in the field of the astronomy. Eclipse and uh, eclipse and the particularly total or annular solar eclipse present a great opportunity to the study. That means this eclipse and the particularly total or annular solar eclipse present give a great opportunity to the study. That means these eclipses are given to the great opportunity to the study. Scientists from all over the world make it a point to visit the location where such events are going to occur. That means many of the scientists which is the study on this event, they carry out elaborate study of eclipse condition. That means elaborate means to collect. They carry out elaborate study of the eclipse condition. That means many other scientists who is the study on the eclipse. That means this what is the eclipse, and many other scientists from all over the world make point of the visit the location where the such event are going to occurs. That means all the scientists which is the curiosity about the eclipse. Thank you.